how to add an NS record in GoDaddy. So to load up the GoDaddy website, and then we want to click on our name in the top right corner, then simply go into products. Here from the products page, we will find the domain for which we want to add an NS record, and just click on DNS here to the side. Now, once we have the DNS records option selected, we can add a new record by clicking on this button here. And then for the type, we will choose NS. Now it's going to ask us for the name and value and the TTL. I'll explain what those are. So for the name, we can choose mail or @ I'll do @ here, and here's where we type the domain name which we want to use in the value section. So this is the most important part. And then the TTL is basically just the time to live. So how much time is this going to take before it goes live? It's going to be set automatically at half an hour. So once we have filled out this information, you click on save, and that's how you add an NS record in GoDaddy. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.